Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can deposit money into your Chime account step by step. So let's get started. First, open your Chime app, and once you're on the main screen, tap the Move Money option at the bottom. After that, you'll see several ways to add money such as direct deposit, mobile check deposit, or even cash deposit at an ATM. But in this tutorial, we'll focus on transferring money from another bank into your Chime account. Then, tap on Add Money from External Accounts, and after that, tap Link your external account. And then, Chime will open Plaid, which is a secure service that connects your bank accounts instantly. Tap Continue, and you'll see a list of popular banks, or you can type the name of your bank in the search bar. Once you find it, sign in using your bank's email and password, verify your information, and choose the account you want to link. After the setup is complete, you can easily transfer money from your linked bank directly into your Chime account whenever you need. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.